Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today's video is a refresh and organized open collaboration. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Now, there may be some other channels that are participating. So what I'm going to do is include the hashtag Refresh and Organize 25. Please be so kind and click on that link, slide over to those other channels, show them some love, and see what they have for you today for some refreshing and organizing tips. Okay, so with that, I'm going to move on to show you an area that I'm going to be focusing on in my home for organizing and refreshing. All right, so today, guys, I'm sharing with you underneath my bathroom vanity sink. I just tend to, I throw, my hair products down there. I throw toothpaste down there, cleaning products. I just kind of throw stuff under here. And I've been looking at it like this for about a year. And I said, you know what? I need to spend some time organizing. And so I want you guys to come on with me and see how I transform this junk area. So I purchased this key tap here from Amazon. It's a multi-purpose storage organizer for under, sink, cabinet, and more. So I'm going to put this together and get to organizing under my sink. Okay, so these were really super easy to put together. So the bottom tray slides out like that. So that's very convenient. So now I'm going to do the other one. Okay guys, these are really super easy to assemble. I think it took me all of 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes. So these organization shelves are from Amazon. Like I said, it's from Keep Tap. And these organizing shelves were $19.99 at Amazon, and they had these little hooks that you can hook onto both sides. I guess I don't know what I would do with those yet. I would have to figure that out. But I like that the bottom shelves, they slide in and out. The top shelves do not. So now I'm going to place these in my under the sink in my bathroom cabinet and try to get this organized. And let's see how these look. Okay guys, I'm getting some of this stuff out the bottom of my cabinet. And so after I do that, I'm gonna clean it up, just wipe it down. Okay guys, so it's nice and clean. I cleaned it off camera, so now I'm gonna put the organizers in. Okay guys, I have it organized, and this is what it looks like now after I have organized it. And so what I like about it is that, these bottom shelves, like I said, they can pull out, which is nice. Oh, I didn't pull it out hard enough. But that's the bottom shelf. And over here, pulling out. And then the back here, I have lipsticks in those. And I have some curling rods there. And I have little bowls for hair dye. And so this is how I have organized it under there. But I'm just glad I got this organized because it just looks so much better than it did before. So guys, let me know. I hope you like this video. I hope it has left you with some organization, inspiration. Give me a big thumbs up if you like what I've done here. Like I said, I got these organizers from Amazon. They were like $19.99. So let me know what you think. Do you have an area that you need to organize in your home? So drop a comment in the comment box below. I hope you like this video. And like I said, if you do, please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And, check out all of the other participants in this organizational collab. I am sure that they have some organizational tips for you as well. I hope that you have a blessed day. And until the next one, bye-bye.